My name's Ryan Seaver. I am a CAD/CAM tech. I do mostly milling and scanning, and I work at LSK121. We got a new imill for milling abutments, mainly abutments and our 7-star cases. And Daniel came in and helped us install it. It was easy to install. Daniel made it super easy. We just had to help him out, and he pointed us to where we needed to go and what to do, and a lot easier than I thought it would be for such a big machine. He went through all the essentials on how to run the mill properly, how to calibrate it, to how to start the mill, how to clean it and maintain it, and how to calculate the mill, and was very in-depth with his explanations. So my initial impression of the imill was it looks very sleek, very clean. The abutments look wonderful, and there's a lot of different options that we can try out going forward with the new mill. We use a hyperDENT with the imill, and I have used that with several of our other machines that we run here. hyperDENT is a great program to use. It really gives you the freedom to mess with a lot of the settings that, to make the abutments come out a lot more refined. It was very helpful for Imagine to get it integrated so quickly, because it already uses something we already have in the lab. I've had to call Imagine many times. They're always very helpful. I learn something new from them every time I give them a call. They remember me and our lab and what machines we use, so it makes it a lot easier for us to get our workflow back up and running. It's just nice having a safety net of support for whatever we need. Even if it doesn't pertain to Imagine products, they still help us out. No matter what, they point us in the right direction.